How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel once again with another tutorial. This time again I'm gonna be making a reggae type beat using stock plugins in FL Studio. So without further ado, I'm gonna play the beat first and I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, now let's go to the tutorial. The BPM I'm using is 142, as you can see. So the first instrument, let's start with drums. Okay, the drums, the kick and the snare are playing at the same time, as you can see. Okay, it's very basic. The next one, this is what's this? It's a rim. I think just to give this little. Okay, the next one, I'm using this snare to give this little transition. Okay, little drum fills. Very basic. So let's see how it sounds from the beginning. Okay, the next one, I'm using this snare. Okay, the next one, I'm using this snare to give this drum fills. Very basic and simple. Okay, it's very basic. So the next one, next instrument, I'm using this rim. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, then let me open this. Okay, next. Okay, sorry. Next I have this snare again. Okay, then the next one, and this is an open hi-hat, open hat. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, then another snare, maybe for drum fills, for the fills. Okay. Okay, yeah, very nice. And the tom. Okay, very nice sounding. And then the open head. This open head always goes with the guitar and maybe the piano to give this rhythm, reggae rhythm. Listen, clang, clang. I think you know that. So the next one again, an open head. Feel each 4 steps, very basic. Okay, the next one is this. Very easy. And the next one, I just finished 2 steps and lower the volume. Now we got that. Okay, so let's go to the music. So for this chops, I don't know, this bounce, I'm using this guitar from all these instruments are from FL Studio. The drums and the pianos, as you can see, FL Studio. All the drums you will find there at where is it? These drums, this pack drums. Okay, you can just find them here. So let's go for drums. The instrumentation, the instruments also found. Where's instruments? Okay, here. As you can see, bass, guitar, keyboard, orchestral. Okay. So now I'm using this jazz guitar to play this. I don't know how to call it. Easy. I'm going from this is a C minor, then to G minor. Okay, just 2 chords. Very easy and basic, but very effective and nice sounding. Okay, then I'm using the next one, the other guitar, this street, also to do the same rhythm. I just copied the melodies from the first one to the second one. Okay, then the next one again, I've copied the same chords. Then I'm using this classic acoustic guitar now. Let's see how they sound together. No. Okay, the next one, I'm using this grand piano again to make the same chords. Okay, so now let's go to this. I'm using this electric piano to make this bubble and shuffle. Okay, let me solve it so that you can hear how it sounds. Let me take it off. Okay, that's it. And now next one, I'm using this Rhodes to play just the chords. Okay. D minor and C minor and G minor. Okay. Okay. Let's see how the melody sounds. Okay, next one. Now let's go to the melody. There was the chords. This is the first melody. The next one, I'm using this picket hump, it's a guitar. Then I play this. Okay, the next one. Okay, very basic. The next one. Let me jump this one so that we can play this. Okay, the other one is this one. Now let's go to the bass. All the instruments are coming from this pack, stock plugins FL Studio. Then I've played this bounce for the bass, this groove. Okay, that's it for the beat, guys. Thanks for watching. If you didn't change, just consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Sorry. Let's listen to the beat and that's it. Peace.